Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Hom. I'm the founder of Fertility and Endocrine Associates and the Louisville Reproductive Center. I've been honored and privileged to help struggling infertility patients for the last 30 years. With the rapid advancement of the science of in vitro fertilization and reproductive medicine, I was just really intrigued to become part of that. That became really vogue during my residency in the early 1980s. I've been blessed to experience the joy of having 2 children and now 5 grandchildren. I want to help others experience that joy as well. It's always been said that if you do what you love, it's not really work. It's really a passion, and that truly is the way that I've felt throughout my career and still what gets me going every day. I guess it's also bringing comfort to those that are in struggle, giving back, teaching and mentoring colleagues, just the opportunity to help bring new life into the world. It really is the very best job I could ever have imagined.